The 2026 FIFA World Cup is here, and as a crypto trader, how can you make money with this 2026 FIFA World Cup? You can make money literally from this World Cup by betting on games on Polymarket. This is Polymarket, and on Polymarket there are a wide range of options you can bet on, such as apart from you can bet on every single games on the Polymarket. You can bet on who the World Cup winner will be. So there are wide ranges of options you can bet on, and it's very simple to use. All you need to do is go to Polymarket, connect your wallet, and start betting. It's just that simple. So beside that, if you are good at creating content about the World Cup, then you can create content on TikTok and YouTube, and you start making money off of the World Cup. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you are going to start doing this.